Ngayon, di ba?
Oo.
So, wala tayong pasok. Kaya pupunta tayo ulit sa Johnston Canyon.
Oo.
Second camping natin ngayon to eh. Ta!
For this year.
For this year. Dahil pa 9:33 pa lang PM.
Oo.
Kaya pupunta muna kami sa Canmore.
Oh.
Ito si Mac daw. Natin yung birthday ko. Ha!
Nan Jason! Birthday na ni Jason! Bukas! Get! Ah!
Dito na kami sa campsite. Scout muna natin kung paano yung setup ng tent. Saan?
Dito tayo. Dito sila, Maika.
Okay.
Or kahit dito natin move to table dito.
Tapos,
Diba?
dun yung dito yung ano, yung canopy.
Tapos yung canopy.
Dito?
Maglagay tayo dyan. Tapos meron din dito. Marami kasi nga uulan talaga.
Okay. Kasi hindi pwedeng walang time check para alam natin kung anong oras na. Nahulog na.
Ha?
Nahulog na.
Hindi. Yung ano niya.
Opo ka muna dito. Baka ano lang. Lamig lang. Ngayon.
Yeah. Asa na yung mga tarps?
Hindi sa likod. Tali natin dyan. Huy, saan?
Oo.
Ay, papatong lang.
Kaya nga.
Hindi naman isa dito eh.
Talaga ba?
Kasi kanila eh.
Hmm?
So, ang pinakamadaling gawin ni tent eh. O baka hindi sila nagpapig. Ayan, tapos na yung tent namin. Tapos na rin yung canopy. Tapos na rin yung kalamay ka. Pero yung tarp na lang yung kulang. Ano, parang nakatali na eh. Kasi sila nag-aayos na ng lamesa. Pero yung apoy namin, ano naman, kasi basta yung kahoy eh. Mulan kasi eh. Ayun.
Nagpakulo na rin ako na. Ay, wala pala ako.
Thermos ka, di ba?
Eh, wala tayong takore.
Ayaw nga pala. Nakilamay ka.
Oo. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Para
Ha?
para mamaya mainit na yung, tsaka yung kahoy. Tapos, lugaw.
Oh.
Hmm.
Chicken and crab corn soup.
Oo, yummy.
Yep.
Tayo natin sila Micah, Eunice, James, at Olivia. Ano kami kasi tapos na
Ano?
ang aming pagtatayo ng mga tents. Break time muna kami. Okay? Kain
Yun naman yung soup.
Yun, mainit pa eh.
Labak. Ayan na ang ulan. Baby. Kailangan mailipat dyan. Ay, baby.
Sorry. Ano yun?
Yung tubig. Pakilipat din dito yung tubig na isa. Para hindi makalat masyado. Yan.
Pango na?
Dagdagan ko pa yan.
Okay.
Kakain mo mga yun.
A few moments later.
Nag-improvise kami kasi muulan. So, nagtayo kami ng mga tarp. Yung doon na lang kala James, wala pa. Kalamay ka. So, dinarigdagan ko lang ng apoy kasi pag hindi, mamatay siya. Bonjour, Parks Canada. Bonjour, Parks Canada.
Thanks, man. I'm so burnt out. I'm ready to sleep.
Oh yeah, it's ready.
I know.
You just need to put your bed.
Thank you.
Kumusta ka naman? Kumusta ka naman, Princess Sarah? Sit. Kasya pa? Stay there. See? There's no more Bartolasa. Yeah, it's nice, eh? That's fine. At least we're here, we're safe.
Hey, grab that. Grab that.
Okay, it's fine, be ready.
Oh, here.
Kasi ko nila di ko sa loob. Naiinit daw to.
What? Can we get sleep in there?
Yan, naiinit daw sa bibigyan. Okay, may payo ka ba? Pwede samahan mo? Oo, may payo ka ba? Meron sa kotse. Okay. Sir, Win! What? This is a nice one. So much sharp. Where's the umbrella, Micah? Umbrella. In my car. Okay. Olivia knows where it is. Okay, no go.
Ingat pa kayo sumabi ka kayo. Baka sa ganda. Ay, you need to duct tape on it. O duct tape.
Yeah, but
Hi, Cindy. Oh,
higher. It only goes to there. I know, but no, you know, what about snowboarders? You didn't see this one? It could be a choke one. Maybe. It could be.
sarap. Saya eh. Nakita na naman.
Ayoko nang maalat. Maalat yun eh. Hindi ko gusto yun talaga yung gusto na yun.
Ba't na yan?
No,
Masarap yung ano, yung pesto.
Masarap siya. Hindi naman masarap.
Cheese pesto bun.
Manag-medyas ka, mababasa lang din.
Kaya
Hindi
ka
ko
na
main.
yung made.
Dadala din ako 3 medyas para isa per day.
Tama ko isa. Pinagkataya ko ng miga.
Pagkain.
Ay, gutom na rin yan.
Pagkain.
Hindi. Hinaantay ko lang yung tubig.
Hindi pa kumukulo eh.
Pinakain ko lang siya ng...
Nag-iingay ko ba? Ma'am, ako rin na nag-iingay.
Mom,
Oo.
when I squeeze it, it's good.
Pinakain. Ay, kahit saan ako pumunta, eh.
May tulo? Sabi ko na ito,
Doon din, Diego.
baka madalim yung kahoy na eh. Mag-ingat ka dun sa kahoy.
Kaya yun lang.
Di ba ka nga tumuog sa kung saan?
Hindi ka sa
Physics yan, physics.
Then I can begin.
Mom, when does this?
7:30.
Show.
Kuya Jason, will go with you?
I don't
It's
know.
closed already.
No.
What is it?
Kapag yes
No.
naman. Hindi na magigising asawa mo. Ano ba siya?
Why did you put Sahara on
Ano ba
top
siya?
of
Hindi siya
your
magigising.
e-bike?
Because I told her to dry it. So now,
And how long?
Ay.
Hanap
na ng pwesto.
Now we're even.
yan eh. Gamay ko na yung upuan mo eh.
The ones here playing out. We're driving. Well, that's what we're going to learn about today. So,
I got tickets.
Gonna act.
Oh, wow.
I'm interpreting here with Park
Okay.
Saan mo gusto?
National
Stay
Park.
here.
But I don't interpret language, rather I travelers. We'd like to thank them for their continued stewardship and for sharing the land. National Park, what I like to call home. And do you know what the First Nations people here call this? All the time, yes.
My fans give you as much room as possible. After about 10 days, they're old enough to run away on their own. You're pretty slow sometimes.
Oh yes, I need to work out more. And my diet, you want to put one finger around the hole in this, so just give your index finger like this. Yes, perfect, and one thumb on the square like that. And what we like to do is, you want to pretend as if the bear has the paws on the ground and the head. You want to aim between the two, so we'll put it down, just because it can catch up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes, well done. You put the cat back on me. Yes, well done. And that's just scared. Dogs will always kept on a leash, showing their respect to me and my home.
Very nice. Being a very bad sure is nice.
In a very man show is nice.
Mag-uwian na tayo.
Oh, thank you so much for coming.
Dali.
Kasi campsite natin. It's a paradise.
Guys. Oh, the
Ang tagal-tagal. Gitna kami doon. No, it's just a pretend.
I thought it was like gummies. I thought it was those gummies.
Kaya naman si Mini Paradise. Hindi naman na magiging si Paradise.
It is.
Bakit yan?
Why
It's so long.
May mga play
just
dun
woke up now.
Question about
eh.
bears.
Better
I don't know anything about bears.
Better gonna be the paradise.
Really? The other one's shorter,
You would have known the.
You're the
Yeah, because we were
Why?
there 7:30.
Be the paradise.
There's so much questions.
Be the paradise. Be the paradise.
Yeah, but that, what's that?
That looks like
Don't get the big one, please.
No, you're Molan, pero basta pa yung
Sige, walang tulog yan. Oh, yeah, I know.
Carnitas.
Oh my God.
Maybe in my room. Oh, there you go. Yeah, work it.
Yes. Sus.
Basic.
Oh, no sleep. No sleep, Jason.
The sleepwalker.
Sleepwalker. Sleepwalker. Wala.
Wala pa pala tulog. The sleepwalker.
Silent
Nag-iingay to.
Quiet time pa eh.
Quiet time. Ngayong tahimik ka, hindi yan nag-iingay ka. Nag-iingay mo eh. Wala pa alas 7 oh. Nag-iingay naman yun kasi. Birthday ko pa naman, ingay-ingay. Okay. Magbabasa tayo ng letter request mula sa ating viewers. God must have known that I would need a husband. Oh, misis ko pala to. Pala ko sa mga viewers natin. Oh, sweet. Happy viewing pala kayo. Hey baby, happy birthday. Wala pang so, hindi ko na babasahin sa inyo kasi personal to eh. Yung message na lang ng nasa card pero yung sulat niya akin na lang to. Huwag nyo nang anuhin ha. Huwag nyo nang alamin.
Alam mo, nakasakit.
Okay, tama. Intindihan ko na.
Ano mo na? Yung sulat ka. Nagkita na si Sisi dyan.
Bakit?
Kailangan na rin magsulat.
Nabasa ko naman. Yung sa akin lang hindi ko mabasa eh. Yung sulat ko. Nainip na kayo. Ano sasabihin ko? Nabasa ko ito eh. Alam ko naman slow read at ko eh. Basahin ko sa inyo. Sabi dito sa may Bible verse. Romans chapter 12 verse 10. Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Oh, how sweet. Tapos, ang sabi sa card, sabi, I love everything about you and I hope your birthday is everything you want it to be. Happy birthday with all my... Aww, sweet naman. Thank you, Pipi. I love it.
Okay.
Thank you. Ako nag-celebrate kagabi kasi late na. Kaya tulog. Dahil napuyat ako eh.
Sa kanya kang fan.
Nag-ayos ako ng mga videos namin eh. Iba na mga hinahanap ng mga matatanda.
Ano na?
May mga pabangong-pabango. Pwede yung mga kailangan ko na yun. Mga kating ko. Mga flower. Mabang. Mga pangkasukan. Mahirap na talaga pag nagka-edad. Masakit na ang mga bones. Ayun, ano oras na ba? O, 7 na. Pwede na mag-ingay si Micah. Ano na, ingay. No? Nagpa-apoy. So, tulungan ko na kasi baka mamaya mag-walkout, umuwi. So, ito tayo sa labas para magsindi ng ng apoy. O yan, nag-apoy na pala. Alam mo, hindi. Maaga mag-ingay. Wala kang alam. Mag-iingay.
nga, 6:30. Meron pang palight si Kuya Jason. Umaga-umaga.
Kasi kanina, kagabi, nagiging disco lights to.
Uy, Sevi. Anong balang
Yan
mo?
o.
Si Mochi.
Mochi. Ikaw nun, iihi ako eh. Birthday ko, utusan ako.
Birthday ko nga pala. Happy birthday.
Ayan, okay. Hindi mo sa akin.
Ano?
Cupcake? Nasaan na yung Tim Hortons kung ano? Chocolate muffin. Sabi ko si chocolate muffin eh.
Talaga, totoo ba?
Oo.
Mamaya, pagkakan mo.
Tsaka yung kape ng Tim Hortons.
Punta ka, James. Ay, gusto
Gusto
mo
ko yun
kape?
eh.
Wala, ayaw na.
Hindi mo na ako, dyan lang kayo ah. Balik ako. I woke up like this.
What did they give him? I can't remember.
Bacon.
Was it bacon?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, he was done. And then the walking, he was shaking. I thought he was done. I thought we had to bury him in bed. Put a sign, Mochi lives here. Like Dobby lives here.
Ano to, tatakpan? Tapo. Mainit na to. Ulit.
No.
Maika,
Oh, I don't care.
gawa ko sa soup.
Gusto daw ba?
Ayaw niya.
Get pepper.
We don't
I think
have
that soup is missing pepper.
We don't have pepper.
Yeah, we do. What?
Pepper?
Salt and
Oh, salt and pepper. I thought that regional pepper.
Oh, this Tita's cooking, man. You can't go wrong with Tita's cooking.
Put some pepper on it.
Yeah.
No. Why would I?
Tastes
It's
good.
just there.
You go to Portugal? Yeah, you would. No, they took.
Yung Japan. If we're going to Japan,
Oh, they go to
We're going
Phil's.
to Phil's,
Yeah, because I'm gonna bring Kenneth.
Yeah. 1,000 per person. Hotel. And oh, yeah, even as me.
It's close to Phil's.
Yeah. Ate Beth.
How many days?
Gusto ko nga Portugal, Spain eh.
How many days nga? Kasi sa 2,000 mo baka may over budget po.
Hindi. Kaya nga. 2,000 lang.
No,
Dalawa na.
days.
9 days lang.
Sige, go.
No? Portugal. Where if we
Oh.
find a job?
Yeah, mahirap.
World
That's the only problem.
I'm not even worried. I don't know anymore. They'll start fresh. Olivia starts September. I'll start September.
We have to buy by August or September.
You want to survive?
Oh, now, baby, you want some soup? Put some soup. It really is. I'll rinse it out.
Yeah,
Just have one cup.
Yeah, I like it.
I love this.
What?
Dollar store lang to.
Which one? Oh, the
All around.
container? Yeah,
Okay.
that's good. Yung mug. Ano pa? Stainless ba? Aluminum?
I don't know. Is it
Stainless,
stainless?
aluminum.
I don't know.
Hindi, stainless.
Yeah. It's-
But it's like
And the guy behind us last like 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
He walked in, sat down. Nope.
what, 20 questions?
Oh,
No.
God.
Oh, yeah, 5.
I wish I was listening. I would have went to that.
I know,
I
and
think
you
it's
would have all
25.
the answers because it's all bear stuff, and you know it. I'm like, where's James?
I don't know bears.
25. 25.
Ate ko, ate. Ate, kailangan ko ng salamin, ate. Ate! Bakit kailangan mo salamin? Huh? Ayun, hindi lang pala. Si ano? Si ano? Hindi lang. Buti na ilagay yan dito. Sa painitan. Pwede naman sila. Dapat mapuno na yung kahoy.
Kaya nga, ilagay na dito.
Oo, habang may ano pa. Baby.
Man, you get some good speed though. Like, you know, and I like it. I love it.
You want the Jetson?
Should we? I'm not going to
Just don't know
Portugal
where to.
because next year they'll make a new one. More
Yeah, I know.
powerful,
That's
so I
the
can
only
wait.
thing.
We'll just
Because
play
last
with
year-
the lens for now.
Then
We'll just pay her for.
Lagi sama ka kay James.
Hindi. Mamaya na. May gagawin lang ako. Meron kasi ako babasahin.
Wala, maglalakad eh. Magde-decorate ako.
Mamaya babasahin. May babasahin. Magde-decorate kaya?
Ako lang.
O sige, mag-decorate ka. Kailangan mo tulog ka.
Huwag mo ikaw. Alam mo naman. Dito ko ito. Nalagay ko. Ay, susunod na tayo.
Yung pot.
Dami pa rin naghahanap pa yun.
Ana? Oo, madami. Dami yung ganun. Malaki yun eh. Saka maganda.
Hindi ka pa ako. Ikaw mag-alala, matagal ka pa. No rights.
Can you also make another one, but it's been blue balloon? I want blue balloon too.
Okay.
Ooh.
There.
That's cool. Thank you. See? Nice.
This is our art station camera. This is Olivia's art station.
Cold though.
Ayan yung kumot niya.
But she has that, but she's still
Mas
cold.
comfortable siya. Busy din doon. Mas
But
maganda doon sa dati.
everybody's clothes are trying to be, how do you say that? Our layers are coming off now.
And trying to dry it.
Ngayon lang. We have lots.
Too late.
We have lots.
I colored it.
We have lots. That's good for today.
Are you
Okay?
impressed?
But you guys have to. Yes.
We'll grab some later.
Oh, what?
Okay. Sarap mo to yan talaga.
Paasap ka na ba?
Ba't ikaw naiinis? Pero si Olivia,
Nakaka-G ka na ba?
come on. Pink!
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Old French name.
Como.
Como.
Ako yung nagulat. Andiyan na pala sila.
Malayo yung nilakad nyo? Ha?
Hindi, ano lang. Natrack pa kayo. Natrack pa kayo. Happy birthday to you, Jason!
Happy birthday.
It's getting there. Morning fire.
Kain na kayo.
Celine and Lenlen. Oh no, this is Celine and then the Colleen. Leo.
I want it. I want it.
Here. Sabi ko,
Okay, sorry.
meron pala silang surprise para sa akin. Daming visitors ngayon. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh.
Parang kasama to sa kapwa. Parang magkakap na din sila.
Oo nga, eh.
Sayang kami later dito.
Ay, oo, yung kay, kay Trent. So, birthday, ano ba yun? Housewarming.
Ewan ko, ang mura yan eh.
Dalawa lang, dalawa na.
Ano mo, tingnan yun?
Mamaya
Ano kayo nagising, kuya?
pag mag-blow na ng
Okay.
Ano yan?
Iba naman ngayon. Dati cut. Puro cut.
Oo. Pauso niya yun eh.
Hindi kasi mainit yan dahil yung...
Every year ba iba-iba? Iba-iba trip mo yan every year?
Mattress lang. Maganda yung mattress ng Costco eh. Mas mahal na.
Mahirap kasi yung ganyan. Ano?
Mga nasa magkano.
100 yun eh, mattress ng Costco.
Kaya? At sabihin na ako yun.
Alam mo, isang beses nagbabike kami, hindi ako makabalansin. Kaya ako ko lang yung bike ko. Magpawin ako sa umalis. 37.
10 yung set ng field. Oh, excited kami kasi birthday niya.
Nagpalit yung personal.
Welcome. Thanks for coming.
Tumigil mo, Jaya, si Nino.
Expect ko nga tayo lang eh. Tapos biglang dumami, kaya naging mas sobrang masaya. I love it.
I love it.
Pala ko, may darating pang ibang mga taga-US eh, tsaka taga-France. Hindi ko rin expect eh.
Wait lang! Kita-kita niyo.
1, 2, and go.
Tree.
Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha! Birthday na ni Jason! Birthday na ni Jason! Birthday ni Jason! Ngayon! Get out! Happy birthday, sex mo!
What's that? Blow it.
Kiss!
Oh, yeah.
Magluto siya.
I like these big. I want to wear yours.
Oh, ha?
I want to wear them. We'll all hang out. I like them. They're ready. Nice. When did you get the matching? No. I thought mine was matching. You didn't get shades. Oh, this one?
Yan lang? Puso ko lang. Ang dami ka. Ate Beth, ito.
Ako lang mag-slice lang.
Narinig ko yan. Ito, yung may aloha. Yan. Aloha.
May grasi na ano.
Oo, tapos meron lang banig or kahit na tarpaulin lang.
So, may pag-isip mo, may katabing squirrel, may katabing may ganyan.
A few moments later.
Game one. Yellow. No, I didn't. No, because Olivia wants the other ones.
Uwi na sila. Nag-day camp lang sila dito sa ating campsite. And nag-celebrate lang din sila ng special birthday ko. Kaya thank you so much sa mga pumunta ngayon. Yay! Bye! Bye! Saan kayo magpa-park? Saan sila magpa-park? Doon na. Doon. Bye! Thank you so much, Kuya Oscar, Tibet, G, Jaya, Lance, Ero, and Colleen, parang dalawang kids. Thank you sa pagpunta for celebrating my special birthday dito sa Johnson Canyon Campground.
This morning, guys. Lagi itong gigil eh, no?
Maligo ka na, ne. Uy, ang payat mo doon sa video ni Kuya Jason.
Ayan, payat mo naman.
Ewan ko lang, hindi ko pa nakikita yung video niya eh. Payat ka doon.
Malapit pa din, Kuya Jay. Muntik na.
Tama pa rin.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Nakasobra
Chef.
ka.
Wow!
That scream's still there.
Makaligo na kaya.
Nothing. Hey.
Sounds like it's calling.
There he is right there.
It's that the one. It's that one. Oh, and that one.
Big.
See? It's good, right?
I like that. Mike Richter.
Yeah. It has pedal.
Yeah, 75%.
Okay.
Oh, really?
But
Nice.
also I think it's now higher.
That's fine. Thank you for checking, my love.
Cheers!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jay!
In the cover album here.
In there, Bing. There's nothing in there, Bing.
Nakmayaman? Tanghali na. Anong sabi mo? Tanghali? Pag wala ako. Tanghali? Alas 6? Tanghali ba yung ano? Tahimik kayo pag wala ako, ano? Paano kayo mabubuhay? Pag wala ako.
Dapat, meron tayong mga bike para magka-bike tayo. Uminom.
Bibili daw si James na ng bike. Ha?
Dead.
Battery died?
Yeah, I didn't even go far.
Oh, because it's making go uphill.
No, it's dead. Like
Oh, let it rest,
the
James.
battery's flashing. See?
Oh, the battery.
Oh, leave it be.
Tatapos na ating selebrasyon. Kaya,
Ay, mamayabang sa atin.
suwi na kami. Nagpapahinga na kami.
Nga siya, yung asawa niya.
Tatambay muna kami dito kasi masarap pang mag-camp. Actually, na-enjoy ko yung higaan
Kasi,
niya.
inaano. Kasi, hindi mo kapag-niwala kasi ang pakipis ni
Okay lang yan.
Diba?
Basta makakatulog ka. Importante makatulog.
Oo. Ba't naman ako, Jay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sarap matulog.
Maganda kasi yung Korean.